Hi, this is Christian from Pinnacle Homes. Today we want to talk about windows. Replacing windows can be a huge expense, and maybe it's not as exciting to you as maybe remodeling your kitchen or remodeling your master bathroom, but replacing your windows can make a huge impact on your home. I want to talk about a few different things to consider when you're thinking about replacing your windows. Number one, your home will be much more efficient with new windows. Windows today have a much higher efficiency rating than even windows from 20 or 30 years ago. Number two is the look, the style that a new window will bring to your home. One really popular look that we're seeing in Wichita during this time is black windows with white trim. The black window has a thin frame, and with the white trim around it just causes that window to just pop. Another thing to consider is what is the material that the window is made of. Two that I recommend are composite or fiberglass and a wood window. A composite window is great. It's going to be more durable than, say, a vinyl window, but you won't have the maintenance that you would have with just a wood window. Another really good option is a wood-clad window, and I have a sample here. It's a wood window. You have the beauty of wood on the inside. On the outside, it's clad with metal, so you don't have to maintain the outside of the window because it's aluminum. Lastly, you really need to consider what kind of installation your window will have. We recommend a full replacement, new construction window. So what that means is the window will come with a nail fin. We'll completely remove the old window, the old frame, all the old trim. We'll take it down to the studs. And we'll put this window in. We'll put caulk behind the nail fin. We'll be able to tape weather-proof tape around the opening, put the new window in, completely seal it, and on the inside we'll put foam around the frame. On the inside, this window will be completely sealed. The alternative is what they call a replacement window. They'll leave your old window frame, they will remove the sashes, slide the window in without this nail fin, they'll slide it in, caulk around it. It's a really quick process, but you lose out on sealing the window in, sealing the old window and the new window in with foam and caulk. We believe this will greatly help the longevity as well as the efficiency of your home. We'd love to talk to you more about windows. If you would like some more information, please give us a call or go to our website, remodelerswichita.com.